Hey guys, lots of news this morning and throughout this week, so let's just go ahead and recap everything that we know thus far for Disney World and Disney Cruise Line and then Universal. All right, so first things first, November 6th is when early 2025 cruises are going to open up for Disney Cruise Line. If this is something that you're interested in, if it's something that you've been looking into or you want me to look into, contact me now so that we can go ahead and start talking about what those 2025 early plans might look like for you guys. Number 2, U.S. military discounts. So Disney has just released for 2024 Walt Disney World's discounts for our U.S. military and service members. So if that's something that applies to you and your family, go ahead and contact me. Let's go ahead and see what that could possibly look like for you and your family. Number 3, Magic Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, and Epcot. After hours events are going to come back in January, February, March, and part of April. For Magic Kingdom and Epcot, those extra hours are going to be literally like they are, after hours. So that's going to be 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. And yes, that's going to feel very late if you're doing a park all day long. However, we can make that work, and I will tell you all of my tips and tricks to make after hours work. Also, Hollywood Studios will be doing their after hours events, and they will be from 9:30 to 12:30 a.m. So we've got 3 parks, gonna give you some extra stuff. Love it, it's wonderful. You've got your Mickey Premium bars that are gonna be included. That's gonna be soft drinks, water bottles, popcorn. So it's a lot of fun. I just recently did that in April at Hollywood Studios, and I got a lot done. So much to do, and there's a way to plan it so that it doesn't seem like such a long day. Let's see. Yeah, okay. Enchantment for all of our 50th anniversary Walt Disney World fans. That's going to be coming back to Magic Kingdom during after hours events. So if you loved Enchantment, you will only get to see Enchantment if you do the Magic Kingdom after hours event. So if you are planning on traveling to Walt Disney World January, February, March, part of April, and you have not talked to me, let's go ahead and get something scheduled and let's get something booked. And then we can talk about enhancing your vacation plans. Frozen holiday surprise. So this is fun. So this is going to be coming to Magic Kingdom in November and December for just for the holidays. If you have friends and family that are Frozen fans, so that's Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, Olaf, Sven, this is going to be a great time for you and your family to add this fun Frozen holiday surprise. And if there's any Oaken fans, maybe we might have a little big summer blowout. So yeah, we're done with summer. Here we come holiday season. So those are going to be your Disney announcements for this week. The thing for Universal. Okay, so this is going to be fun. All right, we've got holiday parades. We've got Christmas at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. We've also got the Grinchmas Who-liday Spectacular. Yeah, that's intense. It's an intense title, but we're gonna go with it. So that spectacular is gonna be happening. We've got fancy foods, fancy offerings, also merchandise, fun stuff going on at Universal Orlando. So if that's something that you wanna add to your Universal holiday plans, let's go ahead and get those on the book now. There's still some time to make reservations for this holiday season, and let's get those added to your itinerary. So if you have not contacted me and you are wanting to do anything in 2024 and 2025, there's lots and lots of stuff being added weekly. So Disney and Universal are turning up the heat in their enhancements and extra magic for their fans and guests. So let's make sure that we enhance those vacation and holidays plans. So I love you guys so much. I'm sorry I'm talking so fast, but I wanted this not to be like a 30-minute video. And I think I think I did pretty good. So I love you guys. Be in touch. Contact me, Caroline at glassslipperconcierge.com. You can find me on social, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and then you can also just head to my website, which is www.carolinechristiansen.com/travel. And one way or another, we will get you where you want to be and make this so much fun. So I love you guys. Stay tuned. I'm sure there'll be more announcements to come, but that's what I've got for this week.